you're giving me, and by the way, I agree with you with this idea of the occasional reboots, and I agree that it's a practice that has gone by the wayside by a lot of people. And I remember, I can remember the first time I left my. This is before I got the Mister Backup moniker, and I got a different moniker, and I'll explain it in a minute. I was at a large oil and gas company, and no one had administered the data center like a real sysadmin in years. And so I was going in there and I was doing crazy things like installing the latest patch set. And these were Solaris systems, and it required a reboot in order to install the patches. And what was happening was I was like 0 for 10 in terms of I would install a patch, I would reboot the server, and it wouldn't come back. And so I picked up the nickname Crash because that's what I was literally, it's like the cure is worse than the disease. So
Yeah.
we need to do this, but I was proactively doing damage to the environment by doing the things I was doing.
Mhm.
What I did get really good at though is restoring their environment because it kept, so what it turned out, the things that were really, I don't know, in trouble were the disks themselves, because we actually powered down the servers for some of them. And that's when things really went awry
Yeah.
because the disk drives had never been turned off. And then, yeah, and then they wouldn't come back on. So I had to get all new disk drives and then do the restore. But yeah.
Good restore.